guys, Dwayne from Blue Jay Bushcraft. I thought I'd do a little bit of a test on different fuels for the Crusader Cooker set. Be given some of this, some Fire Dragon, to try out and compare with the mess that I usually use. But to do a proper test, we've got Hexamine in this one, Greenheat in this one. So we'll do these, see how these perform. They're all with identical amounts of water. I've got both these cups filled up to the same, not quite level on the ground there, but they are filled up both to the same mark. So we'll put these both on and give it a try, see how long it takes them to cook or to boil that amount of water. That's the Hexamine. That's the Greenheat. Both the same way around, so there's no wind difference or anything on them. Cups on. Set the timer, and we'll come back to those when they're boiled and see how long it's taken. We're up to 8.5 minutes now. The Hexamine doesn't seem to have a lot left in it. If you can see the flame in there or not, but the Greenheat doesn't seem to have a lot of life left in it, and neither of them have quite come to a boil yet. In 9.5 minutes, the Greenheat's gone out, and it hasn't actually managed a rolling boil. The Hexamine's just about still going. We're now on 10 minutes, and that's not quite managed a rolling boil yet either. So 10.5 minutes, the Hexamine's gone out. Greenheat had already gone out, and neither of them have actually got to a rolling boil. Let the cups cool, put some cold water in it, and then try again with the Fire Dragon and the Methylated Spirits boot polish tin cooker that you've seen in previous videos. So as you can see, the Greenheat does leave quite a residue in the cooker. And so does the Hexamine. Right, so everything's cooled down. In this one, we've got the boot polish tin that you've seen in previous videos. So we've got meths in that one. In this one, we use the Fire Dragon fuel. Level-ish. Both of these should start with a spark. Same amount of water again as last time. So let's see how the boot polish tin and the fire dragon fuel compare. So we're on about the 6.5 minute mark now. The boot polish tin is at a full rolling boil. And the fire dragon isn't too far off. So the fire dragon's gone out. We're on 12 minutes now. The boot polish tin is still going. And the fire dragon's gone out. So I'd say if you're using the fire dragon, you would need to fill the tray at the bottom there. And as you can see, it does leave quite a residue in there. So we're just 14.25 minutes now, and the boot polish tin's on its last legs. So it's lasted about 14 minutes. So I'd say from that the methylated spirits with the boot polish tin is the best one in terms of cooking it, followed by the fire dragon. I suppose there's kind of pros and cons with these. Obviously that's quicker fuel, it lasts longer per fill of the cooker, and it actually boils the water quicker. If that container was to split, you would lose all your fuel. If that one was to split, you get a little bit oozing out and you still have most of it in there. So it's up to you which one you use. Personally, I'm going to stick with that one, I think. But you may notice we've not used the actual Crusader cups. We've used these aluminium ones, mainly because we've not got two Crusader cups with us. I've had to borrow these off a friend, and these are the ones he's using at the moment. So once this lot's cooled down again, we'll do another test and compare the aluminium of these, I'm not sure if they're French or Belgian army issue, and compare that with the steel Crusader cup. So I'll let it cool down again, and we'll give it another test with identical fuel but with different cups, and see how that performs. Right, okay, everything's cooled down again now. So this time we've got 2 hexamine blocks in each cooker. We've done is we filled this cup up to the mark, took the water into that one and filled that one up again, so they both got the same amount of water in. So I'll put those on. Got 2 hexamine in that one, and the 2 hexamine in that one. And we'll see how long it takes for the water to boil with the steel cup compared to the aluminium cup. Starting to get a boil with the metal one, with the steel one, sorry. A few bubbles in the bottom of the aluminium one so far, but nothing major happening yet. This is the camp we're using at the moment. Tarp set up there. Fireplace there. And the all exciting water boiling here. So we're now up to 6:50, well, 7 minutes. We've got starting to get some definite bubbling going on in that one. In fact, I believe, oh no, not quite a rolling boil yet. And this one's still not there yet. I'm using 2 hexamine blocks as fuel. Neither of them have actually quite made a rolling boil. I think the steel cup actually got closest, quickest, but neither of them actually quite made the rolling boil. So, hope you found that interesting. I shall catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Cheers, mate. Cheers.